best dishwashing performance, remove food residue and debris caught in the filters to prevent odor buildup and possible drainage problems after each load. To clean the filters in your LG dishwasher, start by removing the lower rack. This will allow clearance for the filters to pass through. Using the handle, turn the inner filter counterclockwise and take out the assembled inner filter and stainless steel filter. It'll pull out as one piece. Be careful when removing the inner filter from the stainless steel filter. The tabs on the inner filter can wear out over time if not properly handled. Rotate the inner filter until you feel there is enough room between the tab and the stainless steel rim. Then push the tab with your thumb and remove. With both now separated, clear any large debris found along the inner wall of the filter into the garbage. Then clean the filters under running water using a soft cloth or non-abrasive brush. When finished, reassemble the filters back together and follow the steps in reverse to reinstall. Be sure to firmly rotate the inner filter until it locks into place, and set the lower rack back into position. It is recommended to clean the filters at least once a month, especially in areas with hard water. For optimum performance, follow the recommended filter cleaning schedule as shown in the manual.
Dragon Electronics, a lifetime experience.
60 ans, toujours à votre service.